Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore. So today we are going to explore Singapore Botanic Garden. So let's go together. So that's the MRT station which opens at the gate of Singapore Botanic Garden. That's really convenient. Let's go inside. So there are four gates which opens for garden. Right now we entered is the Tangling Gate. One more gate which one near to public transport is Bukit Timah Gate, and other are Nasim Gate and Tyersall Gate. These two gates are good for those who have car because here car parking options available. This garden is built in 1859 and now it is 162 years old. It is the only garden to be honored as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. That's great. So, this garden is spread around 82 hectares with 4 gates. These are Japanese bamboo forest area which includes 30 species of bamboos. Nearby ethnobotanic garden, it's good for study of ethnobotany, and that's include craft zone, medical zone, symbolized zone, living zone and entrance plaza. In the garden, there are signboard aligned, which shows you the way where you wanted to go. Some most visited areas are Gallop Extension, Jacob Bellows Children's Garden, Learning Forest, Seed Bank, Rainforest Trail, Ginger Garden, National Orchid Garden, Evolution Garden, etc. Singapore Botanic Garden is located at the fringe of the Orchard Road. This is Symphony Lake. There is one more Swan Lake too. The garden is famous for tree house, mushroom shelters, floating platform, pond cave, suspension bridge, etc. For learning point of view, we can see photosynthesis, classroom, nature play pavilion, sensory garden, potting garden. This is Swan Lake. After long walk, we were too tired and craving for food too. So we decided to sit. We find this place called Pepperoni where we bought pizza and enjoyed our lunch with coconut water. Still dining not allowed here in Singapore. This pizza looked great and it's yummy too. This place split in two ways. One goes to Ginger Garden and another one goes to Orchid Garden. So we went in Orchid Garden. There is 5 Sing dollar entry ticket for this garden, especially although Singapore Botanic Garden entrance fees is free. During this period, the garden is operating with limited capacity. It is located on the highest hill in the Singapore Botanic Garden. 3 hectares of carefully landscaped slopes. It has around 1000 species of orchid and 2000 hybrids varieties. Huge collection. It's divided into 4 zones based on the color. Spring zone have lively shades of gold, yellow and cream. Summer zone have strong red and pinks. Autumn zone have matured shade. Winter zone have white and cool violet shades. In VIP Orchid Garden, the types of flower names were belongs to some of VIP people. Truly, National Orchid Garden is really beautiful and soothing. Tropical Montane Orchidatum, it simulates the experience of ascending through a tropical montane forest and showcase a diversity of orchids and other plants from the rich low to high elevation montane forest. That's Sam Corp Cool House, the original Cool House, but this time it is closed, not allowed for visitor. There is Mist Garden too. That's a beautiful man-made waterfall. It's very beautiful. We noticed while going towards Ginger Garden. Ginger Garden is filled with varieties of different species of ginger as well as the related families. For one time visit, that's enough for us. Now we going back to home, but while going back to home we explore very interesting animal called monitor lizard. It's freely moving beside the pathway. We captured some movement with monitor lizard. So ending the video now, going back home. Hope you enjoyed with us. We also enjoyed to share with you all. Thank you so much for watching. Will be see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. If you are new on my channel, most welcome. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get the notification of my new videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.